Relax your mind and let your conscience be free. Let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back. We're doing it again. Got the Ryobi out, knee pads, extension cord. I'm going to do it. I'm going to do this side. I'm going to get that caked up concrete off of the brick over there. So I waited for the 4-inch diamond wheel to come. Glad I got it. Some of you would have asked, why didn't you just remove the guard? You know, that's a real safety hazard. Don't do it. I went to a police station to use the ATM inside, and I saw a lot of migrants. You know the migrants. They're in the police stations now, sleeping in the lobbies. Here's the problem. Their regular days off are canceled, vacations canceled, from my understanding. They deal with a lot of death. They see a lot of death, dead bodies, victims of rape, victims of abuse, victims of carjackings, armed robberies. Just you name it, they see it. They put their lives on the line arresting possible offenders. They deal with hostile people. Depending on the area they patrol, most encounters won't be very good. Okay, with that being said, they go back to the police station and now they become social workers. To add to this, they're expected to solve crime, stop crime, and fix all of societal's ills while remaining professional, and we can just disregard their mental health completely. We can bus people over here, lay out the red carpet, but can't even cancel student debt, can't take care of the people who are already here. We send money to Ukraine and take care of people around the world, but we continue to neglect people born and raised in this country. Those officers are going to check out mentally if they haven't already. Look, it ain't gonna work, okay? It's not gonna work. Anyway, you know the motto. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns too. Bye.